What is good, Hypervault fam? We are back, and today we're getting some more work done on the Fox. We're gonna dig into the engine a little bit, take the oil pan off, take the heads off, see what we can find. Hopefully everything's good. And then we are gonna work on getting the engine bay cleaned up and painted since the engine's already out. We got free access to everything. So we're gonna get that cleaned up, spray painted, nice semi-gloss black, and we'll be good to go. We can hopefully put the engine back in, and we'll be on the road. Yeah, we've been working on the wiring in the meantime. We got most of the stuff crimped up, ready to just get hooked up into the harnesses and figure out what we're doing with everything. So mostly everything's ready to go. We just got little odds and ends here to put in before we run the wiring and figure some stuff out. Holy shit, what the fuck? That was fucking brand new.
Yeah. Oh, it does. Yeah. Feel that. Ted has nothing to do with the piston.
No, this is like the balancer. I'm pretty sure. That goes on the crank.
Oh God, I hope not.
Which
I'm telling you, everything's
why it
super
was,
tight. Well, we're gonna have to show them this.
could be why it was moving, rocking a little bit.
Oh God, if this sheared off, it really looks like it was cut off of something. It really does. Because of this mark right here, it looks like it was, you know, guided in and cut off. Well, we got to show this to somebody.
When we just pulled the engine pan, I'm pretty sure what we found are the internal balancers in the oil pan. Or we found one of them. You can see that there's two meant to be there. There's not another one in the oil pan. There is a bunch of sludge. Just a bunch. I'm not sure if you can see, but these pistons here have a little more play than these pistons here. Both of them. I'm not sure if that's normal. Well, actually, all three of these. Huh. Well, not sure how bad the news is. It's obviously not good. So guess we're gonna have to go from here and see. We're gonna have to get the engine to a machine shop. All right, so it's the next day. Paint dried smoothly. Looks pretty good. Can't complain. So yeah, now we're gonna hit it with the gloss black and get it nice and shiny. But yeah, it looks good so far. Definitely not mad at it. Let's check down the wheel well. Coming out nice. It's really good. All right, and we got the first coat laid down. Well, the first coat of the semi-gloss. It's looking good. Can't be mad at it. You know, for that little rattle can special. It's coming out nice. Also got the first coat of the wheel well done over here. Oh buddy, it's coming out nice. As long as you can't see the red, that's all I care about. I don't want no red showing. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and get these connectors wired up. These are for the switch panel that we're gonna use temporarily. We want to pay attention to what wire comes off which switch. So you see purple, pink, gray, yellow, green, blue, blue with a yellow stripe, orange. And then you have your positive red, and then your negative, which is the black. So see, everything is ran here. And we just went down the line: purple 1, pink 2, gray 3, so on. So on this side, these switches will go through here and trigger a relay. So we're gonna need these switches, we're gonna need these sets of wires put in these connectors, and this connector will plug in. It's hard doing this one-handed, but plug in like that, and then these will be one. So we'll have a straight shot from our switchboard to our relay board. Hypothetically, once we get this all wired up, we should be able to put power to this, and this should come on. So we're gonna finish wiring it up, and hopefully we'll be able to turn it on today and see, make sure we're doing everything right. This is my first time wiring, so I have my dad's help, obviously, which he knows what he's doing, but he's not here right now, so I'm just trying to knock this out. But I mean, I'm pretty sure we're doing everything right so far, so it should work when we go to hook it up. Alright, so here's our little setup. Get power from the battery. First, we are going to check and make sure that we're actually getting power. Oh, let me ground this. And then we'll check if we're gonna. Alright, so we are getting power. So the harness is hooked up. So technically, yeah. I don't know if you can hear it out here, but hear the relays. So everything is working. Yeah, that is the first thing I've ever wired up, so to have it work is a little bit of a relief. So we can put the cover on this and actually get ready and install it in the car It's ready to go. And this is a huge chunk of the wiring we had to do, and luckily enough we were able to do it outside of the car.